Yo, what's up guys? So today we're at my buddy's shop. We got some work to do on the Miata, man. We got a shifter rebuild kit, oil change. We're gonna put on an ISR exhaust. We're gonna put on new tires. We're gonna do the timing belt, water pump, front main seal, the cam seals, and the other two accessory belts for AC power steering, and the other one is for the alternator water pump. So we got a lot of work to do today. It's already like 4:30. We had to play musical cars to move some stuff in here. Yeah, let's get started. We're gonna let this cool down while we do the tires. Yeah, it looks pretty bad. Well, that's the goal.
Yeah,
I'd like to not...
Like, you used like 10% of the tire.
Yeah.
And now it's trash. Oh.
Yeah. Oh! Where the f did I go to hit these nails? This is crazy. So here's the full thing. Extreme Contact Sports from Continental, 205/50/15, and yeah, these should be pretty good. Ooh, look at that fresh boy. Looking good, looking good. Look at this. Oh yeah. I love these wheels. So we have the old tires, new tires are on the wheels. Good to go. So what's coming out for the water pump? The radiator?
Everything that's up here.
Oh, okay.
And well, and the bottom tray. We gotta remove that.
Oh yeah, that's always a fun. Don't worry, I think it's missing some of the little mini screws, so it shouldn't be that hard to take
Quick
out.
release.
Yeah. How bad is it? Oh.
Real bad.
There's a lot of like dried fluids.
Yeah, it's caked.
Nice.
And there's a few fresh ones.
Uh oh. Is there any oil?
I think it is oil.
I'm hoping there's nothing too crazy. Removing the radiator. This is always fun. Having a lift is so worth it. Got some dirty bolts.
Yeah, the main bolt, man. That's the only obstacle I see.
Okay.
It's bad when the whole harmonic balancer is rusted.
All right, got the radiator out. Ready to go.
Yeah,
Ew.
We're lucky we didn't get this. Oh, well, this is the other cycle. We went the one with the box line up.
All right, guys. So we got everything out so far. Trying to get the top dead center, and then we'll start with the timing belt water pump. 652. So you can kind of see like it's basically dark outside. So a little bit of sunlight out, but not much. I'm just excited. I'm beyond excited, man. I love this car, man. I absolutely love it. It's been so good to me, and the main reason I'm doing the timing belt and the water pump is because I beat the absolute crap out of it, and I want to make sure that it has the basic necessities, like the basic bare bones maintenance to allow me to do what I do with the car. Nice. Very nice.
What's left of it? Pretty shitty, actually.
Worth changing now?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Love this guy.
It came with O-ring?
Yeah.
Ah.
But see, so OEM they use the steel gasket, which I like a lot, and this is like paper gasket.
Alright, we got the new water pump in. Look at that. Makes my engine look old now. It's so clean. You know the specs for this?
I think it was 17, but I don't want to think on your car.
Thank you. Much appreciated. Dude, look at this old ass brake fluid. Oh my god.
This, it's just I never used one.
Okay, so what are we
I
doing?
don't even know if it exists.
What's the game plan here?
Removing your seals.
With that?
Yeah. Trust me.
Okay. So we got a screw in there. Okay. This is the old seal, and this is the new seal. Much better. So, this is one of the death carts that he builds. It's pretty sick. It's basically a Miata. It's cut up. It's pretty sweet. Honestly, my favorite part is like the weird looking front bumper with the big wing. Looks sick. Alright. Cam seals are all lubed up and in. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's only 8 o'clock. Alright. Time to put everything back together. It's going smoother than I expected. It is. Wow, that's the... Okay, I see what you're doing. Yeah.
Normally you wouldn't want to do this because you're going to ruin the seal, but that's the thing with replacing anyways.
Yeah.
Because if you put too much heat, yeah, technically you can ruin the seal. We're not really... So this is not really technically a torch.
Nah, but it looks sick as hell.
It's my convenience torch. Hopefully it's enough heat. Yeah, the vice grip is slipping or it's moving?
It's moving with the vice grip. Oh, there we go. Yeah. It's moving?
One eternity later.
Difference? No. I don't think. Let's figure it out. Damn, look at the rust on that shit.
Oh my god. That's probably why it took
Ready?
so long. Oh, look at that. Woohoo!
Look at that.
Holy sh. Alright, so check out all the rust in there. Filthy, man. Absolutely filthy. Got some cleaning to do. Oof. Look at the difference on that. That's crazy.
So they tried.
It is currently 11:20 at night. Things were going well in a timely manner, but that quickly changed. But nonetheless, as long as it gets done, I'm happy. So, and honestly, Funk's working really hard, and I really do appreciate his help. You know, he's not. He's doing his own thing right now. He doesn't have to help me. You know what I'm saying? So, I greatly appreciate his help. Because honestly, without him, this job, since I don't know what I'm doing, would take me much longer. Alright guys, so we got the stock exhaust out. Actually looks pretty good. It's in pretty good shape. Not too bad. Just gotta get the little muffler off and then call it a day. And we put that bad boy on. Oh dude, I can't wait. I can't wait to hear like actual noise while I'm driving. This thing has a little bit of a sound, but it's not too much. Has like a nice little rumble to it, but it ain't much. Putting this beast in. All right, now that we got everything pretty much back on the car, we're going to start balancing and mounting the wheels. So just so you know, the exhaust might rattle, and the O2 sensor is fed through the firewall underneath the car and is sitting up behind the passenger seat. We have to remove the carpet to put that in. So tomorrow when we put the panels back in, we'll go ahead and put the O2 sensor up. We just gotta worry about that exhaust. Oh, and the diff is leaking, so it's leaking pretty bad too, which is crazy because I just did a diff fluid like a few months ago, so I gotta figure out what's going on with that leak, and we'll figure it out. So just more content, right? At this point, we've got everything on the car that we need. Everything is put back together, everything is buttoned up, the exhaust is installed, everything is ready to go for the very first fire up. Here we go. First startup. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so loud. Everything's good. Coolant is burped. The temps are good. It's been idling for about 5 minutes, and temps are perfect. So the only thing is, there is, first of all, you can hear this annoying ass rattle. So we actually did tighten the bolts on the rear part, so that should stop the exhaust leak. I'm literally doing like 5 or 10 miles an hour, dude, at 2,000 RPM, and this exhaust leak is, I can't even drive it, dude. It's so fucking loud. This is insane. I feel so bad. Honestly, aside from the exhaust leak, it sounds pretty good. It's just really loud. You know, we're already like around the block from my buddy's house, and he texted me. He's like, I can still hear you, dude. First gear. The downshift sound sick, dude. It sucks though, because now I sound like I'm doing 85 miles an hour, even though I'm doing like 25. It's so bad. Kind of like it though. Does this mean I'm a racer now? Right, this is 3,000 RPM at like 35 miles an hour, dude. Third gear. The drone is atrocious. It's so bad. But it has nice pops in between shifts and on decel, and the tires are picking up like every single rock it could possibly find. Like, I'm really happy with that I bought these tires, and they're brand new. I don't have anything to worry about. I'm excited. That's gonna do it for today's video. In the next video, we're gonna have a few different exhaust installs because this one was just a tad bit too loud. So we made some modifications and ended up with 3 different setups. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe down below for more Miata content and car reviews. Be sure to hit that bell so you never miss an upload. Feel free to follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot of behind the scenes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to keep living life at max speed. Peace.